Welcome back everybody to Daniel and Sandy Does Reviews. My name is Daniel and we created this channel to give honest and in-depth reviews on everyday products that we use. So if you like how we review these products, please leave a like, leave a comment, and please hit that subscribe button. So today I will be reviewing the Revali Running Vest. I run about 10 kilometers a day, which is about 6.2 miles every day, either that being on the treadmill or running outside. I bought this product because whenever I run outside, I needed something to carry my water, my phone, my keys, my ID, all that good stuff. It was getting really tiring running with a water bottle in your hand, doing 10 kilometers outside. It was getting really tough, so I needed something to help me carry all that stuff. For those who want to know how much I weigh 205 pounds and I am 6 feet tall. I bought the medium and large option for this product and it seems to be working pretty good. It fits pretty snug, no movement when I run, so if you guys are the same weight scale as me, it would fit perfectly for you guys. They do have a small option as well, so if you guys are not as big as me, I'm sure that option will suit you well. So about the product, it comes with a water bottle, 500 milliliters, or it's about 17 ounces. It has a pocket for that water bottle, has an enclosed pocket for your phone, and it has another sleeve inside that so you can put like your ID, any cards that you need, credit cards, debit cards, whatever you need, money, cash. It will all fit in that pocket. It has two small pockets on the shoulders. I haven't found any need for them. I guess you could put some salt tabs in there. Anything small items will fit in there. Keys will fit in there as well. So if you need those are the kind of items that will fit. It does have a big pocket in the back for some food, gel packs, whatever you need on your runs. The vest does have a reflective print on it. So if you do run at night, cars will be able to see you. I do often run at night when I do run outside, so the reflective print does help me out there. It is machine washable. I've washed it multiple times and nothing has gone wrong with it, no deterioration or anything like that, so it holds up in the washing machine. It's not also just for running, just a walk. We have gone a couple hikes doing it. I use it when we go camping, all that stuff. So you could also cycling, whatever you need for it, it will do it all. I think it's a great product, does what it says it does, fits well, especially when I run. I don't want anything bouncing, all that stuff. So it works out pretty good. There are a few cons with this product, not much, just a few nitpicky little things. The bottle that it came with has a plastic taste if you just use water with it. And when I first bought it, I did water in the beginning and I couldn't do it. It's too plasticky. So if you've never bought a bottle like this before, just heads up, they do tend to taste plasticky at the beginning. To combat this, I put electrolytes mixed in with water. It masks all that plastic taste, and over time you won't taste it anymore if you use those electrolytes. I do wish the water bottle was easier to use when I run. I get why it is a little difficult. They don't want it to leak and all that stuff. It's a little hard to suck on, but normally what I do is I just take it out of the pocket when I'm running, just drink a little bit while I run and just put it back in the pocket. It's not a big deal, but just FYI on that, it is a little hard to suck on. The last little thing is that I sweat a lot when I wear the vest. Like, I get it, I'm wearing a vest, of course I'm gonna sweat. I know it's gonna happen, but maybe something just make it a little bit more breathable would help. I try not to wear cotton when I use the vest because my shirt will get soaked when I wear it. I know it's just a little thing. I don't know if it can be fixed or solved. Probably not, but just let you guys know. If you do wear the vest when you run, I would not recommend cotton or anything like that. Something a little bit more breathable, polyester, just to help out with that. So I give this product an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. There's not that many cons to it. It's a great product. I use it every day when I run outside. It's very durable, machine washable, great for night runs, and I would highly recommend this product. I would highly recommend it. So if you guys are looking for a running vest, I left a link in the description. I'll take you to Amazon and you can buy it from there. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave some comments about running vests and I will answer them for you. And I will see you guys for the next review. Peace out.